Orlando is famously known for its world-class theme parks, but this dynamic city offers so much more for those looking to explore beyond the roller coasters and crowds. From serene gardens and scenic boat tours to thrilling airboat rides and vibrant entertainment districts, Orlando's diverse attractions cater to a wide range of interests. Whether seeking relaxation, adventure, nature, or cultural experiences, visitors can immerse themselves in activities like exploring the charming winter park by boat, kayaking through natural springs, indulging in delicious food tours, or soaring above the city in a hot air balloon. With unique spots like a beer spa, historic museums, and lively nightlife hubs such as International Drive and Disney Springs, Orlando promises memorable experiences that go beyond the traditional theme park visit. So here is the list of 17 best things to do in Orlando, Florida, besides theme parks. Before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and comment your thought. Here we go! Number 17. Pirates Dinner Adventure. Pirates Dinner Adventure in Orlando is an exceptional interactive dinner show that combines thrilling sword fights, aerial acrobatics, and musical performances with a pirate-themed story. Guests are immersed in the action as pirates battle for treasure on a beautiful replica ship in a cozy theater setting. The show lasts about 2 hours and includes a 4-course meal with choices like chicken, beef, vegetarian pasta, and dessert, accompanied by unlimited soft drinks. Number 16. Harry P. Lou Gardens. Harry P. Lou Gardens is one of the best things to do in Orlando for those seeking a peaceful escape into nature. This 50-acre botanical oasis features over 40 diverse plant collections, including one of North America's largest camellia collections, tropical rainforests, rose gardens, butterfly gardens, and majestic oaks draped with Spanish moss. Located just minutes from downtown Orlando, the gardens offer serene walking paths shaded by towering trees and stunning seasonal blooms year-round. Number 15. Get Up and Go Kayaking, Winter Park. Get Up and Go Kayaking in Winter Park is one of the best things to do in Orlando for those seeking an outdoor adventure beyond the theme parks. This guided clear kayak tour offers a unique experience paddling through the picturesque Winter Park chain of lakes. Visitors can glide through tranquil Venetian-style canals surrounded by lush Florida flora and fauna, spotting local wildlife and admiring beautiful lakeside homes. The clear-bottom kayaks allow a mesmerizing view of the sparkling waters beneath, enhancing the connection to nature. Number 14. Orlando Tree Trek Adventure Park. Orlando Tree Trek Adventure Park is one of the best things to do in Orlando, Florida, especially for those who love outdoor adventure and nature. This aerial obstacle course is set high up in a beautiful natural pine forest, offering progressively challenging courses that test your physical strength, balance, and courage. With 4 distinct courses ranging from beginner to advanced levels, visitors can zipline, climb, and navigate suspended bridges and obstacles up to 30 feet in the air. Number 13. Kennedy Space Center. Kennedy Space Center is undoubtedly the best thing to do in the Orlando area for space enthusiasts and curious travelers alike. Located about 45 minutes from Orlando, it offers an immersive journey into the history and future of space exploration. Visitors can marvel at iconic exhibits like the Space Shuttle Atlantis, displayed at a 43-degree angle, explore the rocket garden with its historic rockets including the mighty Saturn V, and experience the thrilling shuttle launch experience simulator that recreates the intense sensations of a real shuttle launch. Number 12. Lake Eola Park. Lake Eola Park is a stunning urban oasis in the heart of downtown Orlando, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty and city excitement. Centered around a picturesque lake, the park features the iconic Linton E. Allen Memorial Fountain, especially magical at night with its colorful light and music shows. Visitors can rent charming swan-shaped paddle boats to glide peacefully across the water, making it a great activity for families and couples alike. The park also offers a 0.9-mile paved walking and jogging path with beautiful skyline views, picnic spots, and a playground for kids. Number 11. Discovery Cove. Discovery Cove is arguably the best thing to do in Orlando, beyond the typical theme parks. This all-inclusive day resort offers a unique and immersive experience where visitors can swim and interact with friendly bottlenose dolphins, snorkel among thousands of tropical fish, rays, and sharks in the Grand Reef, and feed exotic birds in the lush free-flight aviary. The park also features the Freshwater Oasis, a rainforest-like habitat where guests can wade alongside playful otters and marmosets. Number 10. Orlando Science Center. The Orlando Science Center is one of the best things to do in Orlando, Florida, especially for families and curious minds of all ages. It offers immersive, hands-on learning across 4 floors of interactive exhibits and live science demonstrations. Key attractions include Dino Digs, where visitors can explore life-size dinosaur fossils and dig for real fossils. The Kinetic Zone, featuring physics-based experiments and engineering challenges. And NatureWorks, showcasing Florida's natural ecosystems with live reptiles and aquariums. Number 9. East End Market. East End Market in Orlando, Florida is a vibrant neighborhood market and food hall located in the Audubon Park Garden District. Known for its modern, trendy vibe mingled with cozy neighborhood charm, it features a curated collection of local restaurants, artisan food vendors, and craft shops. Visitors flock here for popular bites like rich coffee from Lineage Coffee Roasting, delectable pastries, ramen from the acclaimed Domu restaurant, and the famous Gideon's Bakehouse cookies. Number 8. The Charles Hosmer Morse Museum of American Art. The Charles Hosmer Morse Museum of American Art in Winter Park, just outside Orlando, is arguably the best cultural attraction in the area. It houses the world's most comprehensive collection of works by Louis Comfort Tiffany, including his iconic leaded glass lamps, windows, pottery, jewelry, and paintings. A highlight is Tiffany's stunning restored chapel interior from the 1893 World's Columbian Exposition in Chicago, along with art and architectural pieces from his Laurelton Hall estate. Number 7. Daytona Beach Bandshell. Tin Roof Orlando is one of the best things to do in Orlando for those who appreciate live music, good food, and a vibrant atmosphere. Located on International Drive at the Icon Park complex, Tin Roof combines the charm of a neighborhood bar with the energy of a music venue featuring local and regional bands playing nightly across 2 stages. The venue prides itself on offering better than bar food, with standout dishes like hand-breaded chicken tenders, wings with house-made sauces, and smash burgers, all complemented by a great selection of drinks including signature Southern-inspired cocktails like the Sweet Tea Moonshine and the refreshing Tin Gin Mojito. Number 6. Bok Tower Gardens. Bok Tower Gardens is a breathtaking sanctuary located in Lake Wales, Florida, about an hour's drive from Orlando, making it one of the best and most serene attractions to experience beyond the typical theme parks. Created in the 1920s by Pulitzer Prize-winning author Edward W. Bok, this 250-acre garden and bird sanctuary sits atop Iron Mountain, the highest point in peninsular Florida at 295 feet above sea level. Bok was inspired by Florida's natural beauty and wanted to create a peaceful refuge to honor America and preserve wildlife. He commissioned famed landscape architect Frederick Law Olmsted Jr. to design the lush gardens, which include a diverse collection of native and exotic plants that thrive in the region's climate. Number 5. Orlando Museum of Art. The Orlando Museum of Art, OMA, is one of the best things to do in Orlando for art lovers and culture enthusiasts alike. Founded in 1924, this esteemed museum boasts a collection of more than 2,400 objects, including contemporary art, American art from the 18th century to 1945, African art, and one of the finest collections of art of the ancient Americas in the southeastern United States. OMA offers thoughtfully curated exhibitions and educational programs that engage visitors of all ages, featuring rotating temporary exhibits alongside a permanent collection.
Number 4.
Orlando Farmers Market. The Orlando Farmers Market is one of the best things to do in Orlando, Florida, offering a vibrant and authentic local experience every Sunday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the scenic Lake Eola Park in downtown Orlando. Established in 1987, the market has become a beloved community gathering spot, featuring more than 50 vendors who bring fresh, seasonal produce directly from local farms, alongside homemade baked goods, cheeses, specialty foods, and handcrafted artisanal products. Beyond shopping, the market creates a festive atmosphere with live music and activities, making it an enjoyable outing for families, couples, and solo visitors alike. Number 2. Kelly Park, Rock Springs. Kelly Park Rock Springs is one of the best things to do in Orlando, Florida for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Located just about 45 minutes from Orlando, this park is centered around Rock Springs, a natural spring that pumps out 26,000 gallons of crystal clear 68-degree water every minute, year-round. The main attraction is tubing down the gentle, half-mile-long, natural lazy river formed by the spring run. Visitors float on inner tubes, drifting peacefully downstream, surrounded by lush, subtropical vegetation, shaded by towering palms and oaks, with glimpses of wildlife like wild turkeys along the way.
Number 1.
iFly Indoor Skydiving, Orlando. iFly Indoor Skydiving in Orlando offers one of the most thrilling and unique experiences available in the city, making it a top activity beyond traditional attractions. This state-of-the-art wind tunnel simulates the sensation of free-falling from thousands of feet in the air, but all within a safe indoor environment. Under the guidance of professional instructors, participants of nearly all ages, minimum height applies, can soar effortlessly, experiencing the exhilaration of flying without the need for a parachute or airplane. The last word. Orlando offers a treasure trove of activities beyond its iconic theme parks that invite visitors to experience the city's natural beauty, cultural richness, and vibrant social scenes. Make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest upcoming travel videos.